So the other day, this photo popped up, which was kind of cool because this is our first project that Rodney and I ever did together after only dating for a little over a month. It was 2011, I was almost the respectable age of 24, and I needed a bed frame because my mattress was still on the floor. So after discussing a rough idea of what I wanted, Rodney drafted out this whole design, and next thing you know, we're at Lowe's. Shoved all that wood into the back of his Azusa Rodeo, which would become a running theme for the rest of our relationship, where we try to shove way too much wood into spaces that are way too tight. See? Very little space. So with an intensity that should have worried me and scared me off, Rodney got right to building that bed frame. Before I show you the after photos, there's some things we have to talk about, especially you youngins. First of all, Instagram was not even 7 months old, and we were going heavy on the filters. Secondly, TikTok was running through our veins, and I don't mean this app, I mean Kesha song, and we all thought that we were grunge and kind of alternative and brushing our teeth with a bottle of Jack. Basically, go Google what Urban Outfitters looked like in 2011 before you judge the photo you're about to see. I love this. I still love this. The whole bed was designed around the window. That headboard lined up perfectly with the windowsill, which was huge, and so the windowsill basically was the extended headboard. And of course, this whole theme had to come together with a burlap sack on the wall and lots of empty alcohol bottles. And hey, look, you can't tell me this was not in style at the time, because these boxes right here that match the bed and match the whole theme, repurposed these boxes from the dumpster behind the Urban Outfitters on Guadalupe. They were old displays they were thrown away, so it was on trend. Out of some of the scraps, we made this little desk for my iMac. It was just 6 inches deep. This board didn't say anything on it. It just, it's one of those things you just put some plywood, a plywood strip, hanging from metal cable on the wall, because that's what you do at the time. And again, an empty liquor bottle with or wine bottle with a feather in it, and another wine bottle with a bunch of sticks, because that's linen. That was just what you did. Out of the scraps, I also made this little floating shelf that I was very proud of. Again, wine bottles. Yeah. 13 years later, we still have that bed. It's now in the guest room. It's looking a little bit more respectable. If you'd like to stay in that bed, you actually can book our guest room on Mr. B&B. Guests say it's the best night of sleep they've ever had. I mean, there was a lot of love put into that bed. A lot of love.